Tired of buying those refills and sheets? Let me show you a quick hack, money-saving hack that you can use to save money, and actually I think it's environmentally friendly. So anyway, as always, welcome to Adornment with Adrienne. Hi Adorners, welcome back to Adornment with Adrienne. Today I want to share with you my quick and easy hack for wood floors and tile floors. Instead of buying sheets and refills, I use my O Cedar mop. This is my handy, trusty mop, and it has a removable head. Let me just show that to you. So you unhook the head off the mop. It's velcroed on, okay? See this? This you take and you just toss in the washer and dryer, okay? When it's dirty, take it off, wash it in a probably up to 100 times, they say, in the washer and dryer. And so that's what I use. Okay, I use this to clean my floors instead of buying over and over and over sheets and refills. I think it's a really great hack. Okay, Adorners, so I put my pad back on my mop. You can see you can buy this for about between $13 to $17, I guess, depending on what part of the country you live in. Again, I use this side to clean my wood floors, spot, treat, and clean. And this side I use on my tile. And what I've done is I've taken a spray bottle and I filled it with Murphy's oil soap. Okay, it's 1/3 part Murphy's oil soap and then 2/3 water. And then I spray and clean my floors. Okay, and also you can use your favorite cleaner. All right, I also put it in a spray bottle. These are really great, these spray bottles. Do you have these? You can get them for about $1 to $2 at your local Walmart or somewhere like that. I got this Walmart, and I fill it with, this is actually a spick and span cleaner that I have. I will put it in my Lysol or one of my favorite Pine Salts or whatever, and I will put this in to clean and spot clean my tile floors. So let me show you, okay? This can be used on linoleum or okay, Adorners, let me show you how I use this. I would take my spray bottle, as I said, spray down some of my Murphy's oil soap and water mixture when I have little spots and things like that throughout the house. And I use my blue side of the mop, as you can see, to clean my floor. I'm in an old bungalow, and so I have wood floors all over the house. And instead of constantly buying refills and sheets, this is what I use, okay? So let me show you as well for the tile. Clean our, okay, Adorners, so as I said, I'm gonna saturate my floor really quickly. You can clean your baseboards like this too if you'd like. All right, my favorite cleaner, whatever your favorite cleaner is, I have my white side down. I am going to clean my floor, all right? You can see I just sprayed that part underneath here. And as you can see, anything that's on your floor, you get it up, all right? Take this off, all right? And throw it in the wash. Okay, I think this is a really great solution. As I said, one side you can do your wood floors, the other side you can use for your tile. Throw it in the wash, it comes out really clean, and you can use it, I think, up to 100 times. Okay, Adorners, so again, this is a quick and easy hack. I think instead of buying those sheets and refills over and over again, everyone knows the inflation in the economy, you may want to save, okay? So shout out to Murphy's oil soap and O Cedar. Okay, definitely you can send me some of this. Right, yeah, definitely. As always, thank you for joining me with Adornment with Adrienne. I hope this is a hack that you can use. I'll be sharing a few more tips that I found over the years. And as always, I'm your girlfriend or your auntie of lifestyle and decor, and as always, saving hello for another time. See you in the next video.